This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get minty fish. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of your favorite white fish fillets, like cod or tilapia. Don't forget fresh mint leaves, roughly 1/4 cup, along with a lemon, a few cloves of garlic, some good olive oil, and your preferred salt and pepper. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the fish and its flavorful marinade. Gently rinse your fish fillets under cold water and pat them completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a better texture. Next, finely mince about 3 cloves of garlic and chop your fresh mint leaves. In a bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, your chopped mint, and minced garlic. This creates a vibrant, aromatic marinade. It's time to cook our delicious minty fish. Place your fish fillets in the marinade, ensuring they are well coated, and let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the fish marinates, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once heated, transfer the fish to a baking dish. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Cooking time may vary slightly based on thickness. Finally, let's talk about serving your perfectly cooked minty fish. Once out of the oven, let it rest for a minute or two. Garnish with a few fresh mint sprigs and some bright lemon wedges to enhance the flavors and presentation. This dish pairs wonderfully with roasted asparagus, a simple rice pilaf, or a fresh green salad. Enjoy this light, refreshing, and incredibly healthy meal you've just prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.